In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we just can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. What a great review! We're always thrilled to hear about a happy customer's experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why our customers write these amazing reviews for us. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.